Welcome back to Tech Repair with Immolo. So, last time we did the laptop, it wouldn't turn on when the battery was in. So we removed the battery, jump started it and got it working. We gave it a week to see if that fixed the issue, and unfortunately it did not fix it. So today we're going to jump start it again, and I'm going to try and update the BIOS. So we've gone on the Lenovo website, found the latest version, and we're just going to pick the Windows installer. Obviously if you're using Linux, use the ISO installer, and you can boot from USB. So we're going to follow that through now. You don't need me to tell you how to click next to get it going. I hope not anyway. Obviously, if you're not living in a European country, make sure you're on the power when updating, because things will go wrong if this dies halfway through, especially on an old laptop like an X250, which has no BIOS recovery. Well, none that I'm aware of. Okay. Alright, there's our BIOS updated. The only scary process in all of this. Jumping around so much, you think it's probably the next Blair Witch. There we go, BIOS done. A little pause there when it takes forever, eh? Ooh, there we go. You do get that panic for a second. Okay, so we're still booting, that's a good sign. I probably don't want you to see the password. Right, let's shut down now and see if it works. If it works with the battery installed. So we're going to plug that in now. Looking good so far. Nope, it didn't shut down properly. Let's try it again. Okay. Straight off power this time. Nothing. Oh, there we go. So this time we've reset the BIOS settings to factory default. Oh, it registered the battery, but it's not got enough charge. Let's get it turned. Let's power into that. See if it turns on with the power in and the battery plugged in. Here we go. So that looks like that was the final step. It does look like there was a software issue with the controller. So we've reset the. We've updated the BIOS, we've reset the CMOS, and now we're just going to charge the battery up to 100%, see how that works. But yeah, that looks like... I'm shaking that camera around so much, it looks like something actually is going to come out of there. Where's the lights gone? There we go. As you can see, the second battery is now working. So we'll give that another week. We'll plug in the other battery, the internal battery, into there, and we'll see where we get to. But yeah, hopefully, if you still got the issue after the first part of the video, try this step, and you should be all good. Anyway, guys, keep repairing.